The measurements of the length and width of the perimeter of the Great Pyramid correspond to an exact fraction of both the latitude and longitude measurements at the equator. Scaled up, this means the Great Pyramid directly corresponds to the circumference of the equator, as well as the measurement from the equator to the pole, making it a scale model of the Northern Hemisphere. Recently, using satellite technology, researchers have realized yet another advanced formula encoded in the design.
If you take the location of the Great Pyramid as a coordinate, this number sequence of this coordinate matches exactly the speed of light traveling through space, measured in meters per second. This is amazing stuff. When you consider the vast amount of information about the Earth that's encoded into the Great Pyramid, you can't just dismiss all of this as pure coincidence.
Although the Great Pyramid at Giza offers an astounding example of encoded information, other sites around the world, such as the Mesoamerican pyramids and the ziggurats of Mesopotamia, have also been found to be aligned to exact cardinal points and embody mathematical concepts.
These buildings were built under divine guidance. This is a mark of the gods. They put certain things in these buildings to let us know they are not entirely of human origin. They represent something larger than we are.
The builders wanted to make sure that a future generation would know that there's a discrepancy in knowledge. And what I'm suggesting is that all these ancient structures are calling cards left by extraterrestrials.
Ancient astronaut theorists suggest that evidence of extraterrestrial intervention in the construction and placement of these incredible structures can also be found by examining their alignments with the stars.
If I wanted to leave behind a piece of evidence that suggests where I'm from, one way, for example, is by creating monuments that are in the shape of constellations. In ancient Egypt, the 3 pyramids are aligned with the constellation of Orion's belt. The pyramids are not the only monuments that have this particular configuration.
The ancient site of Teotihuacan in Mexico also contains 3 pyramids that are oriented to match up with the belt stars of Orion. And other sites throughout the world have been found to have similar astronomical alignments.